Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunny Egg Crafts. Today we are going to make frozen Elsa inspired magic wand. Subscribe our channel right now before the video
Let's get
continues.
started!
Materials that you will need to make Elsa's wand: a blue square origami paper and an A4 size paper for the handle, a glue. If you don't have a glue, you can get some sticky tape or even a rubber band. Get the A4 paper and hold one corner and roll into a straw. Try to roll it as tight as you can. When you get to the end, dab a bit of glue and apply gentle pressure for a second to let it set. Now we're going to make the star. So first, take the square origami paper and fold in half to make a triangle. Then we unfold the paper and rotate to the next corner and fold into a triangle again and unfold. Take one corner as the anchor point. Fold both sides into the center crease and unfold. Rotate and repeat for all corners. Now here is the tricky part. I recommend you to change the video speed by hitting the setting button. Then click the playback speed and change the speed to 0.5, or if you think that you can't really follow properly, then you just hit the 0.25 speed. And I'll also explain the steps so that you could understand it better while you're watching the video. Take one corner and fold it towards the point where the creases intersect below opposite corner. Now just try not to fully unfold. We will be using this fold as a guide. Go to the left corner and using the creases that we made in the earlier stages, fold into the middle crease, and this will create a small triangle to form when you flatten the center corner. Repeat the same step for the right corner. The center point should look like a triangle that sits on top. Fold this point down towards you. Spin the paper around and we'll repeat the steps for this corner. Take this bottom point and open to fold and fold down diagonally so the point is on the center line to the right. Open and fold down diagonally to the left. And repeat the same step for the opposite corner. Now taking the right corner, longer flaps on the side, we will be making a fold where the feet of top and bottom triangles are. This will create a square shape as the base. We will now be recreating steps where we start from the bottom point and open the fold and fold down diagonally. So the point is on the center line to the right, open and fold down diagonally to the left again. Once all the diamonds have been created, we will need to open them all up. The following steps sound a little complicated, but if you look at the video, it's actually quite easy to follow. So I have already explained the most tricky part. You may find it a little bit difficult to follow, but like I said, simply change the speed setting to 0.25 or 0.5. You can always go back to the step that you missed and get back on track. So once we have finished making the star, cut 2 small holes on the back of the star, just like how it's shown on the video. Then we can attach the star into the wand, making sure that you cut only a tiny hole so that the star wouldn't fall off the wand. I hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and we look forward to see you all again on our next video.